Bruh. Damn, bruh. Anybody want some cookies?
I forgot they got Dorian Finney.
Hey. Tell her to my little friend.
Show them on the screen.
Fat lunch. Oh, shit. I paired this shit. Just don't know what you're doing.
Bullhorn.
Yeah, you gotta cook that bitch, bro.
That nigga Seth Curry still on there? Damn.
The fuck is that?
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I hate to be Seth Curry, bro. Well, not hate to be that nigga.
Y'all see what I rolled? I just paired the fuck out this.
What type of image?
That's what I was saying. What the fuck? Open. Nigga.
Bruh, that.
Scooby-Doo, bro.
No! I was gonna tell you no!
Bro, that bitch got a bone.
I was fucking. No,
you eat it so good.
bro, I thought I was gonna get a chance to turn around and tell you, no, this nigga so quick and bit that shit.
Bro, that's a
Bro,
sweet
you got
toothpick.
something.
Look on the side, bro. Look at the logo.
That's why that shit looking too brown for me. I'm like, hold on.
Oh my god, bro.
Bro.
Bruh, I was trying my hardest not to lie. Bro, I thought I was gonna give you a chance to tell you, but it was dog cookies. This nigga ate it so fast.
Bro, smash
why
right
you-
your hands.
Bro, I
Was it
thought.
good?
Was it good?
It tastes like a regular cookie.
Bruh, you just ate a dog. Bruh, no cap. If you smell that bitch, bruh, smell that bitch. You would not know for real, bruh. If you just wanted a cookie.
It tastes like
Yeah, you wouldn't, bro. It smell like
Just smell it, bro.
It smell like one of them regular cookies.
Nigga
bro.
talk about, it's a dog cookie, nigga. He ate that shit. I just brought him out here like this. Pete talking about some, I just want a couple of.
Bakery you want some cookies.
And I wanted something at the way. I'm glad I ain't get that motherfucker.
And this nigga agreeing like he already had them.
I was-
You ain't gotta tell me, bro.
This nigga.
Like, damn, he was had some earlier.
I'm glad I ain't get it.
Oh shit.
Bro, these shits don't, bro. I didn't know they smelled like that, bro. I thought they had a smell to them at least, bro.
They ain't got no smell.
And they don't, bro. And then when you bit into it, bro, you ain't make no face or nothing, bro. It don't. I was like, you was finna put a hurting on them three.
I'm about to say, just think about it, nigga. Like, it was more niggas in here. He just went down the line.
Bro, I was gonna let Day get him too, and I was gonna say something, but I ain't even gonna turn around to hear George talk about some, bro. And then you talking about some. It's a dog bone on that
Nah, I got them
motherfucker.
saying them Scooby-Doo at first. I seen the little bone shit. Then I said, bro, that's some dog shit.
What the fuck?
Bro, oh, my fault, gang, bro. I was trying to, bro.
Nah, you on that big shit.
Bro, I ain't get a chance to even tell you, bro.
Oh, that's crazy.
I know,
That's
bro.
foul, man.
Bro, but at least you ain't get hit with 2 eggs. I threw 2 eggs at Bill.
Why you fucked up for that? Why you do my
On
sound
stream?
like that, bro?
Alright, let me see, bro. You got the paper on it? My fucking seed. Hold on, let me show the stream real quick.